Hello there everybody, Richard R. Blaster here from RWA PAT Limited. Hope you're all having an awesome day. Let's just get straight into the purpose of this video and just say why I chose to set up a limited company when I haven't even wielded a pat tester in anger yet. I just like the idea of setting up limited companies. I think it's a more tax efficient way of doing things. I could be totally wrong. I've not even consulted an accountant yet, but that time will come. I just like setting up limited companies, and also the good thing about it, I believe, is that when I do eventually get a vehicle, this is not tax advice by the way, when I do eventually get a vehicle, instead of purchasing it in the limited company name, purchase it in my own name, and I believe I can bill expenses to the company using the pence per mile. I think I'm allowed 45 pence per mile up to a certain mileage, and then I think it reduces to 25 after that. And also I believe that if I purchased a vehicle in my name, in the company's name, I believe I'd end up, and me using it as an individual, I'd probably end up as taxed as a benefit in kind, so I'd probably end up paying more tax. As I say, I could be just totally talking out of my arse basically. So that's my humble opinion. I will actually go and consult an accountant. Anyway, enough of my waffling. Don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and smash that bell icon to be notified every time we upload a new video, and I'll see you all soon. Ta-ta for now.